In the frosty heart of the Arctic, beneath the shimmering sky, a tiny polar bear cub named Niko sneezed so loudly that the entire ice field trembled. With a surprising whoosh, vibrant ribbons of color burst from his tiny nose, swirling up into the dark night sky to create the northern lights. But this sneeze was no ordinary sneeze. It awakened Aurora, the playful spirit of the sky, who whisked Niko up on a wild adventure. As they soared through the dazzling waves of green and purple, Niko giggled, his paws reaching out to touch the stars. Below, the sleepy Arctic animals blinked in wonder, marveling at the dancing lights. Aurora led him to a hidden ice cave, where a chorus of singing seals welcomed them with a joyful melody. Niko, now the hero of the tundra, discovered that he could control the lights with each sneeze, turning the Arctic into a magical playground. As dawn approached, he snuggled,